Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. If you have not watched our market analysis video for today, which is Monday, March the 22nd, 2010, you need to go watch that video because there's a great deal of information there. We did something a little bit different today. We went ahead and showed you why I'm so bearish on this market and basically why I'm taking shorts in a fearless uh, psychology. Definitely do yourself a favor and watch that video. Today's pick for you, the free stock pick alert that we provide in video on our website, is BEN, Franklin Resources Incorporated, ticker symbol BEN. This is a short, of course, because that's what the market's telling us to do. We've got the overbought condition of the slow stotch, a nice move to the upper side of this channel we've got here. Let me just go ahead and draw that up for you. Boom. All right. So we got this channel going on here. All right. And we're on the upside of that. Okay, so that'd be the short. Entry point at today's close, about 111.42. And we got this gap right down here. It needs to be filled. That is a close of 97.86. I'd look for that to get filled. That's my personal opinion on that. You'll also notice the the volume here has just been kind of fading the whole time. And while at the same time the market is moving higher, the stock price is moving higher on this chart, and that's a bearish divergence. Don't like that. Tells me to look for the short, and that's what I'm doing. The convergence of these two moving averages for the MACD, it's also bearish. You'll notice the histogram here is also fading. All right, showing there's momentum decreasing in favor of the bulls, so that basically shifts the chart. Tell us to start looking for the short, and that's what that's all about. Okay. How's the RSI look? That's a major bear condition, so let's go look at that. We're at 67.68, just pulled down from a tip over the 70 line, which is major overbought there. So we're really pressing that line there. Anything higher here, you definitely be looking to add to your short position, in my opinion. Now, let's get rid of this right quick. Where would you place your stop? Well, there's a couple of different strategies you could use. So let's get a quick little look here. The previous high is 112.89. So you could set a stop at 112.90 using the previous high as your stop, and that would, so far that's actually held up. The problem with this particular case is the market's working on that momentum right now, and it's making new highs, so it's quite possible that this chart may also. And so a tight stop might get you stopped out before the stock actually pulls back anyway. You'll notice what typically happens on an advance, you'll hit the Bollinger Band line the first time, pull back and hit it a second time, and then sell off. You had to move to the upside here, pull back, move to the upside second time, here, 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 here. I think that's it. But that doesn't mean it can't press a little higher. So if you use a tight stop, you could get stopped out before the move actually pulls back anyway. So to avoid that, you could advance the stop, say give yourself 10%, 8%, 5%, something like that, and that would give it a little bit of room to break out and still fall over. Okay? That's the free alert we have for you today. If you're not a full access member, listen up. We're not going to be offering this sale of 145 a year forever. It's coming to a close. So if you want to get in as a full access member, go to our website, sign up, pay the 145 for the year. That's our sale rate. It's not a subscription, so you just get 1 year. That's cool. And boom, you're in. No problem. If you hesitate and you wait, in a couple of days we're going to raise that price, and then you'll have to pay the higher price to know what's in my portfolio. And you don't want to do that. Why do that? All right. Let's go make some money!